How to secure your OKX account with two-factor authentication. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on OKX and wondering how to properly secure your account with 2FA, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open the OKX app or website on your device and sign in as usual. Once you're logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the menu button. On your desktop, just click your profile picture and go to Security Settings. Once you're in this expanded menu, click on your name at the top of the screen and click Security from the User Center page. Inside Security, click on one of the authentication methods. You can choose any one option for authentication, such as passkeys, authenticator app, phone, email, login password, etc. I'm just going to select the Authenticator app option. Go ahead and tap on Authenticator app in order to enable the two-factor authentication. Now click on Link Authenticator app at the bottom. You can then verify with passkey. Click on the Use Passkey option, scan your Face ID or biometrics if you have enabled the passkey. Now on the next page, you need to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to you via SMS on your mobile number. Once you receive the code, type it down in the text box. After you do that, on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email. Go check your email inbox and open up the email from OKX. Copy the code inside it, get back to the OKX app and paste in the code. Now, it'll ask you to download the Authenticator app. Select any one Authenticator app from the list and download it. I already have Google Authenticator installed, so I'm going to click on I've downloaded one. On the next page, it'll ask you to copy the key or scan the QR code. I'm just going to click on copy key. And now I'm going to open up the Google Authenticator app. If you have the Microsoft Authenticator, you can open that as well. After opening up one of the Authenticator app, go to the plus sign at the bottom right corner, tap on that and click on enter or setup key. Paste in your copied key inside the Your Key tab. Go to account name at the top and write down OKX so that we can recognize it and tap on add at the bottom. Now you have added your OKX authenticator on the page. Just tap on that to copy and paste it in on the next page. Once you do that, your authenticator app will be linked. Now you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication or Google Authenticator in this case. You can also go ahead and add your Microsoft Authenticator or any other authentication application that OKX supports. So that's how you easily enable two-factor authentication on OKX so that you can add an extra layer of security to your OKX account. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.